Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Android phone. So in this case, I'm using Oppo phone, and then to back up the Android phone, just go to the settings, and then here you can just type in on the search column back up, and then you can just click on data backup. And as you can see here, my current settings is back up my data. So the when there is connection, it will automatically back up my whole data, and this is the backup accounts. And the I'm activating the automatic restore, so it will automatically store backup settings and also data when you reinstall an apps. And you can just click on this data backup and restore. Click on this local backup, and then you can also use the backup and restore apps from the Oppo phone. Click on this, and then allow the clone phone to access the photo and media on your device. You can just click allow. Okay, when you want to backup, just click on new backup and then select the data. So there are two options: the local backup from its phone, from the phone itself, and also the Google backup. Okay, so that is how you can backup your Android phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you on next video. Bye bye.